On this screen, you can access classes, students, and the tasks you assign to them. By clicking on a student's name, you can check the status of their tasks, whether it's been completed, overdue, or needs to be graded. Selecting a completed task will take you to the Student Assessment screen. Here, you can view the student's performance. You can score their performance using the parameters you created and compare it to the student's assessment. You can then give video feedback, and also leave comments. Once you save the grade, you will be taken back to your classes. Selecting the data icon will give you a visual display of the student's progress. The CSV icon allows you to export individual student performance data for review in programs like Excel. When you are finished with viewing your class information, click the My Dashboard button on the bottom menu to return to the home screen. This is your media library, the place you will create or pull in the media you want to use in the tasks you build. You can record a video, search Flickr for an image, add text media, and upload files from your computer. When recording a video, use the red recording button to start and the stop button to finish. To search for images, select the Flickr icon and enter a keyword to search for. The search will return images from Flickr that fall under the Creative Commons license. To create text media, select the text media icon and enter your text content. The last option is uploading media. You can select an image or video file from your computer as long as the file meets these requirements. The upload button will show files from your computer that match the required format. Using these four methods will give you a rich and custom media library. Task library. Here you will create tasks that will later be assigned to your students. To create a new task, click the plus button. This is the task builder where you will add all of the components to creating a task for your students. It is designed to simulate what the students will be seeing. First, let's see an example of a student completing the task. This is the first screen a student sees when they begin the task. These are the instructions the student will follow to complete it. The student will view media for an allotted period of time. The media is what you, the instructor, will choose. The student will have the option of viewing the media again or continuing to the next step. The student will be given time to align themselves with the camera. Once this is complete, they will move to the next view where they will be able to record their response. The media is displayed as the student is recording.
Hay dos personas en el parque con un perro. Las personas están hablando sobre el perro.
They will have the option to record again or continue on to the next step. Here the student is able to review and assess their performance. They can also leave comments for you to read as you grade them. Once the student saves the score, they will be able to exit the task. Now let's create a task. When creating a task, the first thing you'll want to do is give the task a name. You can edit the instructions for the task here. To include media in your task, select the View Media button in the navigation bar. To add media, click the plus button. Your media library will open and you can either choose existing media or record a new video, search Flickr, create text media, or upload assets. If you choose multiple assets, one will randomly be shown to the student as they complete the task. Continue through the navigation bar at the top. Under Self-Assess, you can create up to 4 custom scoring parameters. Once you've created the task, hit Save and return to your task library. To assign a task to your students, select the calendar icon. Drag students over individually or as a whole class and set a global due date. Saving the task will automatically notify your students that they have a task that's due. You can edit the task that was just created by selecting the Edit button, or create a copy of the task, or delete the task altogether. When you are finished, click the My Dashboard button on the bottom menu to return to the home screen.